What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we're right here looking at a wall of RC cars, the Traxxas brand, and we're gonna pick up a new chassis today. And I just wanted to show you guys some different models before we dive into the video and show you guys what we're gonna unbox today. I know a lot of other YouTube channels or people that are into RC cars don't have access to models on display like this, so why not start this Traxxas video off with a little bit of display models so you guys can check out stuff that maybe you're interested in. This is the C10 right here, the drag slash, pretty new model. This is the model that we're going to be unboxing today, the Fiesta ST rally car. It's a 4x4 low center of gravity Traxxas slash chassis with a Ford Fiesta ST body on top, and it has some rally car wheels. But we'll get into the taking off the body of this chassis and check out what comes in the box when we do the unboxing later on in this video. You can see right here we got some accessories, a lot of aftermarket accessories for the Traxxas. Well, aftermarket but by Traxxas upgrades, like aluminum arms and hubs and stuff like that, like its wheels and stuff like that. We got the Bronco body. Here's another slash right here, slash the newer Bronco, the old Ford Bronco. These are the crawlers right here. So these are pretty cool chassis as well. I've never owned any of these ones, but I have owned the 6x6. I did make a video about that, but maybe pick up one of these 4x4 crawlers in the near future. I like all the details on the front bumpers on these, like the grille, the headlights, the front differential covers. Everything is so realistic on the 4x4s. I like the Defender as well, it's pretty cool. The TRX4 seems to be like a Toyota pickup imitation, but Traxxas's brand of their body. But as you can see, the detail on the front differential, everything is pretty nice on these crawlers. A lot of accessories here at this shop right here. I'm surprised also that they carry the 6.4, the Red Cat Racing 64 with hydraulics. That one's pretty cool as well. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna be the chassis that we're unboxing today. You see already a display model here at the shop, but I'm gonna check out what comes in the box, take everything apart, and show you guys the chassis. It's pretty much the same as the LCG chassis on the Traxxas Slash. It's all the parts are interchangeable with the Slash truck. It's just a Fiesta ST body with rally car wheels, but I've been wanting this chassis for a long time. I've just been waiting till they're back in stock. Usually these are hard to get on the website, and in some other shops you won't find them, but in this shop here you'll find a lot of rare chassis and rare models, stuff that you won't find at other shops in Southern California or online. They might be sold out. This is a cool team shop, so you have a lot more options and they carry a lot more stock here. But you can see this is a Slash chassis right here. I think this is the one where you build your own kit. This one's just pretty much a chassis. It doesn't even have a motor on it. It just has all the chassis gear, running gear, but no what is it called? The computer for the motor, or the motor. I don't know why I froze on that. Here we have a chassis right here. It looks like a Slash chassis as well. This one has all the upgraded aluminum parts and bearings as well, and the drive shaft. This is a 4x4 model, so that's pretty cool. Looks bigger in person, so I always see this car online and like on YouTube videos. I've never seen it in person, but the size difference to like a Slash chassis, you can see the difference. It's a way bigger car. I would compare it to the size of the Ultra Desert Racer, the Unlimited Desert Racer. I would compare it to this size, but I've never seen this car in person, so to be able to see this one, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool car right there. Let me show you guys right here on the back. We got more aluminum upgrades, XMAXX wheels, XMAXX, Unlimited Racer, different wheels. We got the Hot Rod Fortec 3.0. We got the 35 Hot Rod Fortec 3.0, 2.0 Fortec, Bandit VXL, which I'll be doing. I have the Bandit brushed version, but I'm gonna be switching it to VXL soon. I just swapped my Rustler to VXL, and it was a brush version, another ST Rally E-Revo 116, Bigfoot, everyone's favorite. And here we go, the Red Cat 64 and the Red Cat Monte Carlo. A lot of big options here at this shop. I'll attach all the information to this shop in the bio, and then I'll have things popping up on the screen if you want to pick up a chassis from here. This is where I get all my parts, and whenever I buy new kits, I usually come here for the options. You won't find these options or, you know, competitive pricing elsewhere in Southern California, so I'll attach all the information if you guys want to check it out. But just wanted to show you guys a lot of the stuff they have in stock here before we get to the unboxing of the ST Rally. And probably pick up another model soon, so you could expect some more YouTube videos on this Traxxas brand vehicles. You can see right here we have a lot of batteries as well. Batteries, fuel for the nitro cars, stuff like that. Everything that you need, you'll find it here. But I actually want to see what this thing looks like underneath the body, so we'll pull the body off real quick. So that's what the car looks like under the body. That's a pretty nice chassis. I've never seen this car in person, like I said, so I'm pretty surprised what you come, you know, out of the box. That's a really big VXL motor. I don't know where the receiver's at. Oh, it's right there. That's pretty cool. I don't know the specifications on this vehicle. I don't know the name of the motor or the receiver or anything like that, the specific parts. I just know this is a really nice car. I like how the axles have axle boots, just like a real car. The axles look pretty real, and they're thick. This thing must be pretty quick. I don't know if I would ever buy this vehicle, but it's pretty cool. Not that I see it in person. I would maybe think about purchasing this car. Alright, let's put the body back on. So we're actually going to grab the ST brand new unboxed, sealed. It came from this shop, but I know the owner of the ST chassis that we're buying it from. He's a pretty cool dude. He bought it from this shop. He never used it, so we're going to go pick it up at a slightly lower price. It's a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. But I wanted to buy one from this shop to support the local shop. I always buy my stuff from here, so. But I can't pass up the deal on this ST. Maybe we'll buy another one to have two for YouTube videos and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and drive off to his house to go pick it up, brand new in the box. But I wanted to stop by here and price some of the parts and stuff that I want to pick up to upgrade that chassis, and some parts for other chassis. I also need to restock on batteries. My batteries are kind of worn out, so I'm just getting a price together on stuff that I need to pick up for my own personal hobby and personal use. A lot of Broncos in stock. Okay, so we'll head out right now. Just wanted to show you guys the shop and stop by and check some prices. So let's go pick up that ST Rally car. Okay, here we are, guys. We're back now, and I got the Fiesta ST Rally all-wheel drive, and then your traditional Traxxas box. You're supposed to have the car, the radio system, some extra tools, and then this guy who looks like a nice guy who's on all the Traxxas boxes. So let's see, your basic XL5 and Titan 12T 550 motor. Nothing special about this one. Your basic brushed Titan 12T motor, but we got the Fiesta ST, so I'm very excited to see my very own. Well, I own it now. It's not a display model. This one's gonna be for my little brother, but I plan on getting one for me also. And mine, I'm gonna do some upgrades. For my little brother, he'll probably keep this stock. So let's get it cut open. So once you slide it out of the box, that's how it comes out. It's got like a little plastic cover. It's being held on by the clips. So I'll pull these clips off, and then we'll pull this cover out. We might be able to rip it. No, I'll just pull them off. Got the cover off. I really like the body. Man, I wish I had one of these for me. I mean, it's kind of mine. I did buy it, but I'm gonna leave it at my parents' house for my brother to use it whenever he wants, and then I'll eventually find one for myself. It's just such a nice looking car. I like this way better than the Slash. There's a look at the underside of the chassis right there. It's a pretty nice looking chassis. I think the smaller 110 scales vehicles, they have more detail compared to the XMAXX. I feel like my XMAXX compared to these 110 smaller scale cars is like, the XMAXX is just like a bunch of plastic, like random plastic pieces, but these you can tell like what you're looking at. But the XMAXX to me is just like a bunch of angular angles and plastic and too much stuff like that. I kind of like these smaller cars better. So let's see. Shocks feel pretty good. Steering a little bit loose. We'll put it through some test runs. I haven't had an all-wheel drive 110 scale off-road vehicle like this. I always have the two-wheel drive Slash or the two-wheel drive Rustler, Bandit. I've never had four-wheel drive, so pretty excited for this chassis to be added to our collection.